How to make stylish text in Photoshop. First, add your text and adjust it properly on the canvas. Change the color of text if you want. Now change the font. Now increase its size. Next, download any stylish texture or theme you like. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and drop that texture over your text. After placing it, right-click on the texture layer and select Create Clipping Mask. And that's it. Your stylish text effect is ready, quick, clean, and professional.